Now the night has started,
now the night
Randy.
now he says it.
I'm just saying. That was like, that's your emotions and everything completely belied your age, and I felt like you were just channeling into all the soul that song requires. It's a big song, but I thought, you know, and the thing is, sometimes I want to be very careful when you're performing this close, and I'm glad you did, but I sort of, I don't want to emote too much and have you become too aware of people's reaction and have it unhinge your performance. But it was really hard to not react because it was so damn good.
Hello, little ladybug. How are you?
Good, how are you?
How tall are you?
I'm 5 foot.
Are you Filipino?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Shout out to my Filipino barbs. Let me tell you something which is crazy, because within 2 seconds of you walking out, this is what I wrote down. Little tiny thing, but commands the stage from the second she walks out. There is no fear, and being that we're so close to you guys, we get to see you trembling and shaking and everything. I did not see 1 ounce of fear in you. So, apart from the vocal being great, I think that you're poised and ready. You almost feel like you've already been doing this. So, you know, congratulations, my little ladybug.
No. And Nikki, you know why she walked out like that?
Why?
This girl is born to do it. That kind of confidence at 17, and to come that close to us, like, yo, I'm getting this. And at the end, that last note, that was almost there, and then Keith and I was looking at him, and you hit it at the end with the vibrato. It went right into tune like that. I was like, yo, this girl's a pro. Man, good looking out. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. Loved it.
How do you feel? You okay? It's a big song.
I feel great. It went better than I thought it would.
It went really well. I was really proud of you and really happy for you, because that's Aretha Franklin, okay? That's the Queen of Soul.
Hello.
Who sings that song, for anybody who doesn't know that. And, you know, it can be a really rough thing to do that and have it not turn out the way you want it to turn out. Because, you know, she's amazing and she can do basically anything. And so I really loved how you came through with your version of the song.
She worked it out.
And I think you worked it out, and I enjoyed the front half where you really kind of like took your time. Really nice. A+.
There you go. Let's hear for Adriana. Nice work. So you said it went better than you thought. What do you think was going to happen when you got out here tonight?
Well, I rehearsed, and I was just kind of, you know, I wasn't so sure about it, but now that I came out here, I'm just glad that I did my best and it all worked out.
And at 5 feet, you and I can see eye to eye. Thank you, Adriana.